Hey, David, set up the squad. Nah, you're good. Hey, we're gonna pass it to me secure. Stay on that, stay on that. Shit, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there. Out. Hey. Watch the center, watch the center, watch the center. Me. ¡Saque!
Pónganse a jugar, muchachos. Pónganse a jugar.
Pues pónganse a arbitrar bien. Right there. Come on. Let it go. Tanto el miedo, papá. Hay que jugar, démosle. Josh. Josh, get out that line. More, to your right. Right. Left. Right there. Nacio. Oh, I know. Don't worry. That's how they wanted to play, so let's play like that. That's ball out. Let it.
Everything out. Everything out.
Hey, Ness.
Hey, Moise.
David, stay right here, right there. Balón fuera. bro. Thank you. Hey, is it? It's a MLS ball. Is it ours or theirs? MLS, yours?
Yes.
Yours?
Buena, portero.
Yeah, took our shit. One more time.
Bárbaro, otro árbitro, otro.